If your garage remote situation looks like ours, 5 drivers, 4 cars, random key sets everywhere, you already know the struggle. We were constantly passing around the remotes, so these replacements, Genie overhead door remotes, solved that problem fast. You're going to get all the instructions that you need to make sure that these 3 key fobs actually control your garage door opener. Let me show you how simple it is to pair.
You just press this till it goes purple. And then you press this. That's it.
Voila! You can also see that the size difference of some of our old garage door openers. So it's compact, it's small, and it easily fits on a keychain, which I'll show you soon. We are so grateful for these because this definitely solves the problem of constantly juggling the garage door openers. So snag some for your family today.